For the final question, I was given the function y equals 10 times 1 plus 2 minus x plus 5x squared to the power of 6 to the power of 3 to the power of 2. And normally this would be a function within a function, so we use the chain rule f prime of g of x times g prime of x. However, this is actually a function within a function within a function within a function. So we have to keep the chain rule, make the chain rule longer, as it's f prime of g of h of I of x times g prime of h of I of x times h prime of I of x times I prime of x. So, when we actually get it, the actual function of f at x would be 20x, g prime of x, 3x squared, h prime of x equals negative 6x to the power of 5, and I prime of x equals 20x cubed, with x being whatever function would be within, so f prime, so the g of h of I of x would fit into that x spot right there. So, as I said, we have this long derivative to work with. We just substitute in g prime. And then we know g of h of I of x as being 1 plus 2 minus x plus 5x 4 to the power of 6 to the power of 3. So we have that. Then g prime. We have g prime right here, so we substitute in the g prime and the x as hi of x. Put that there, leaving 3 there. And same thing for h prime of I of x, which we have right here, negative 6x to the power of 5. So we substitute in x as I of x, which would be 6 plus 5x4, 5x to the power of 4. Then you substitute I prime of x, which 20x cubed, which is right there. And it works like this because when you have 1 plus or 2 minus, when you do the derivative, it gets rid of that because x to the power of 0, you bring down 0, multiplies the whole function by 0, so it just disappears. And so you don't actually use that, leaving just 20 to the power of x. Then you can simplify it by taking out the 20, the 3, the negative 6, and 20x cubed. Take it out of all the functions, multiply it together, getting negative 7,200x cubed times all these functions. But you can't simplify this anymore because there's nothing to be factored out. And so this is the final answer.